Located in Australia's northwest, Karijini National Park is part of an ancient landscape. There's a reason this is one of our favourite parks. Let us show you why.
This episode is going out to all the Christina Aguilera fans.
Huh?
You know she wrote that song? Karijini in a bottle. Good morning. We are heading to Karijini. So we're in the Pilbara now. Got a couple of hours drive this morning to our campsite.
Vans in here.
We're here.
Here we are, Dale's campground. We are yet to figure out who Dale is.
Dalo, Damo, Davo,
It's Dale.
Dino.
What are we doing now?
Eating and then hiking, or swimming, then hiking.
So we're gonna have some lunch, which was leftovers from last night. Go for the hike when it gets a bit cooler. Although
It's definitely cooler here
definitely cooler
than it
here.
was further north.
Like it's still like
30-ish?
30-ish, 31, 32 maybe, but that's better than 40. This is wild. You were wondering where the gorge might be. Here it is.
We're now tackling the Gorge Rim Walk, which leads on to Dale's Gorge Walk. I think it's just one big loop really, a couple of Ks, but it's really stunning here. And I wasn't really sure when it said like waterfalls and such, I wasn't really sure where they were because it just looks so dry and flat, and you walk down to it and it just drops away and the water's flowing through the gorge. So I guess it was in the name, wasn't it? Gorge.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Shoddy top bunk.
That was an absolutely epic walk along the top of the gorge. Some really stunning red rocks and the greenery and all that's really nice. Now we're at the bottom of the gorge and we are walking back along the base towards Fortescue Falls. Getting a bit snackish, are ya?
Look at it.
Melted.
Seen better days.
Road's closed, pizza boy.
Find another way home.
I know. They've like let you know it's a class 4, so if you have any complaints, they're like, well, we told you. There's a sign.
I don't know how you've gotten down here though to find the sign without
Yeah.
realising.
That's true. Think skinny. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it.
You gotta say big step.
Big step. We lost it, Mr. Drifter.
Give us a whirl.
These look fancy. It's covered in like stuff.
Go on. Pop them on.
Oh, look at the moss hanging off them.
Let a blowout. Big summer blowout.
Big summer blowout.
Dangerous times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep them down in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world that keeps sky in your mind.
Dive in, go on. Better?
We're soaring on top of the
So refreshing after that hike. We're now going to head around to Fern Pool and go for a swim there as well.
The fish are nibbling my feet.
It's like one of those foot spas in Vietnam.
Except it's free.
Let's see if the GoPro will show it. They're not really like scared of you.
No.
People are going to think that was your feet. It's been a very enjoyable day. We're going to head back to camp now. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good morning. We are here at the Knox Gorge doing the Knox Gorge walk. Now it is only a 2k walk, but people say, and the sign says that it can take up to 3 hours. So I don't know if that's the case. Actually reminds me I should start Strava. But yeah, let's go and do it. We're only about 100 meters in, but we're already getting views like this.
So cool coming down into the gorge. Had another big summer blowout as well. Lost the whole sole off the bottom of my shoe.
Charles?
So apparently none of my footwear is holding up to these hikes. So I went for the hiking boots thinking that might be a better, more sensible choice. I'm going to push on without it. We're now at the end of the walk. What an epic walk to get down into the gorge, and these rock formations are just stunning. They are so epic. But yeah, check that out. Back in the van now. It was an out and back hike, so not much more to show you on the way back out, but it was a tough climb getting out of the gorge, especially in this heat. Camp for today is the Karijini Eco Retreat. Got a pretty nice view from the campsite, and apparently we get an epic sunset here as well. But for now we're going to go take another walk and go for a swim. That was a great walk to finish our day. We met a lovely Canadian couple. They've invited us over for a drink. So we're gonna go enjoy these views, have a few cold ones. We had planned to do one more gorge today, but our new friends we made yesterday have got a four-wheel drive and they've offered to take us to some other spots today, so we're going to go along with them. So we're now heading down to Handrail Pool with Alex and Mimi, and it is absolutely epic down here. It's so narrow and it's just towering up above us. Water is freezing.
Quite possibly the coldest water I've ever been in.
Made our way out of Handrail Pool, climbing up out of Weano Gorge at the moment, and on to the next one. Descended down into Hancock Gorge through a series of very steep ladders. Now we're making our way down to Kermits Pool.
How's it going? Cold?
Not too bad, a little bit slippy. the end of another great day exploring Karijini. We spent the afternoon finishing off with Alex and Mimi teaching us how to play rummy, which we've never played before. The flies are really bad at our camp tonight, so that's why Brooke's got a fruit bag on her head.
I can't see. Help.
Good morning. It is about 5:45 now. We've got one more activity left for Karijini, which is climbing Mount Bruce. Brooks decided to have a sleep in after a few days of hiking in the gorges, so it's just me tackling this one this morning, but the sun's not up yet, so I'm looking forward to see that coming up this morning. So Mount Bruce is Western Australia's second highest peak, not that far in, and we're already starting to get some pretty epic views. Over to this side though is a bit of a mine site, so that's kind of taking away from the atmosphere on that side. I'm probably just short of halfway and the sun is just starting to come up now. The hike's been pretty cruisy so far, sort of gentle climb, a few little scrambles, but it looks like it's about to get a lot steeper, switch backing up the hill and right up under some cliffs. That last little section was a little bit of a scramble, but we're already getting rewarded with some pretty epic views. That last K or so has been quite steep, but I think we're getting pretty close to the top now. Made it to the top. What an epic view up here. Definitely worth the 5Ks to get up here. I can even see the van down behind me, so I wonder how Brooke's sleep-in is going. But we're going to leave you guys here. We hope you enjoyed going through Karijini with us, and we'll see you in the next one.